Welcome to the Veterinary Marketing Podcast, where it's all about how to attract, engage, and retain clients to your veterinary hospital using digital marketing. In today's episode, 246 and a half, we're going to talk about just a few, actually 4 of my favorite AI tools for you to try out that you can test and see how cool they are. This goes back further to last week's episode when I went more in depth about the implications of some of the AI marketing tools that are coming to market and the major changes that are happening there, which is very exciting in my opinion and a very big opportunity for veterinary hospitals. So before we begin, just a couple things. First off, this episode is being sponsored by 2 websites by Brad Haven. We got usedvetequipment.com and newvetequipment.com. For over 9 years now, usedvetequipment.com has been helping vets buy and sell used equipment. You'll be able to save money when you buy used cages, kennels, pumps, x-ray equipment, lasers, ultrasounds, dental equipment, surgery equipment, lab equipment from Abaxis, IDEX, and Heska, tables, tubs, and sinks, vet trucks, and vet boxes. What do you have to sell? At usedvetequipment.com, we bring the buyer and seller together. Also, if you're looking for new veterinary equipment with amazing warranties, check out newvetequipment.com, where they show you the price up front. They have digital x-ray equipment, dental x-ray equipment, ultrasound equipment, LED surgery lighting, surgery tables, autoclaves. When you go to newvetequipment.com, you'll clearly see the price on every item for sale. You'll also be able to check the warranties that you can buy without regret. At newvetequipment.com, we show you the price and give you a great warranty. The other thing that I want to mention is if you are having problems with your schedule being filled, you're not as full as you'd like to be sure to reach out, Brandon at veterinarymarketingpodcast.com. I have a few spots open to help practices fill their schedules. So if that looks like something that you're interested in, be sure to reach out, Brandon at veterinarymarketingpodcast.com. Let's jump into today's episode. So today I'm going to give you 4 tools. There are 2 of them are for writing and 2 of them are for images. Tool number 1 is Canva. Canva has an AI image text-to-image generator, which is really cool. Try that out. So far, it's not as good as the other one, but if you use Canva, it's free. So that's cool. That's what I like about this. The other one that I like is called Midjourney. And Midjourney is a Discord chat, which if you go to Midjourney AI tool, you'll be able to find it. You can create truly beautiful pictures and portraits, and it's just really, really cool. So far, I've been really impressed with that one. So that one's pretty exciting, but you can tell it to create I did one that said, create a picture of a Great Pyrenees working at a computer with glasses on. And I made one, it's pretty cute. I have a Great Pyrenees dog, and so anyways, I liked it a lot. The next one that I would suggest are 2 chat AI tools. One is called Jasper.ai. Jasper.ai is good for a bunch of different applications. That one is paid, and so it works pretty well. I think for the most part, these chat tools are a good starting place, and then you can take it from there, right? It's going to write 80% of whatever you want, and then you can edit it and adjust it. The other one is ChatGPT, and similar in that it'll be able to write things out for you, get you a good starting place. What I find is cool about these tools is that it just helps to kind of eliminate what you should start, how you should phrase things, and you can edit. I think editing is always easier than just creating out of thin air. It helps to get the wheels turning and things started, so it's just kind of a framework to work from, which is kind of cool. That's how I'm generally approaching these tools right now. Be sure to listen to last week's full episode on AI tools, and if you have any questions, comments, or need help with anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'll see you on the next episode. Have a great day, everyone.